Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is Microsoft Surface laptop. So kindly share, subscribe, and comment on my channels for further videos. So my Surface laptop, this device delivers strong performance and has a light and thin build. Manufactured by Microsoft, and it is first manufactured in 2017. So surface level laptop Microsoft premium build quality are known for their premium build quality. They are typically feature aluminum bodies with this sleek and minimalist design, and other one is high resolution display. They provide PixelSense displays which provide vibrant colors and sharp image quality. The display size may vary depending on the model because they provide excellent display model. So the surface level offer different kind of laptops, variety of uh, models. They offer their operating system is Microsoft Windows operating system, which means you can run a wide range of software applications and games. So it provide heavy kind of billion experience which you can touch. And so the third one, touch screen. Touch screen with Dolby Vision S processor, icon cutting edge NVIDIA. It supports Surface Pen support, and it gives us versatile computing experience, and it helps in creative tasks and not taking. So it gives us brilliant, excellent screen touch, and it gives us excellent experience. Touch, okay, then striking design, brilliant design, 13-inch or 15-inch screen. The build quality is aluminum, and third one is webcam. They provide HD webcam performance. The Surface laptop, the built-in 11 Windows also makes valuable addition to the device, which improves its overall usability or performance and makes it pretty easy to use for all types of users and business users. However, you may find its pricing on the higher side, but if you have a sufficient budget, then you must go for the option. In the market, you around 3 lakhs, around 250 to 3 lakhs its price. And we talk about battery life. Microsoft typically claim good battery life for the space surface laptops. The battery life is generally competitive with other ultrabooks on the market. Portability. Surface laptops are designed to be portable and lightweight to make them suitable for one go the use. Connectivity. Usable connectivity with all options, Thunder ports. Some models may also include USB-C ports.